Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Forensic odontology. Things which can be determined from teeth is forensic odontology, like age, race, sex, and identification. Sex can be determined by chromosomes and chromatin. Identification by comparing the dental records of a dead person with that of missing person, you can identify the person. We can identify the person by obtaining the DNA analysis from the teeth. Teeth are one of the best specimen for DNA analysis or identification because teeth are well protected from fire, trauma, and they even resist decomposition to a great extent. Even in a badly burnt or badly advanced decomposed body, teeth can resist these conditions. With the help of teeth, we can also obtain the blood group of the person from the cells of pulp cavity. Bite marks are the impressions formed by the teeth, and these bite marks are mainly formed by the incisors or canines. If you find bite marks on any surface like body of the victim or accused or on any item, this can be useful for the case.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about